Dear students, are you all fine? I hope you all are fine and praying for your safety during the pandemic situation. Students, in this video we are going to learn about the care of our ears and nose. Firstly, we are going to learn about the safety of our ears and how to take care of our ears. First and foremost, we must not insert any pointed objects into our ears that will damage our eardrum. There is a habit of using earbuds by many of the members in our society. It is not a good practice because a waxy substance is produced inside the ear canal that protect our ears, grease the ears inside it. The waxy material will be pushed inside with the earbuds and our ear canal is blocked. So we must not use the earbuds to clean our ears. Never use pointed objects like hairpins, pen, pencil or mastic to clean or scratch the ear. These will create injuries inside the ear canal and the eardrum. You may damage the eardrum and there may be permanent hearing loss due to these practices. That is wrong. We must not insert any objects into our ears. Now students, for cleaning our ears, we can use a dry towel to clean our ears. Then we must be very careful while swimming and bathing. Water should not enter into our ears. When the water enters into our ears, there will be moisture inside our inner parts of the ear that will create infection. There is pus formation inside the ears and also growth of fungus occurs sometimes when there is the ears are wet due to the entry of water. So students, we must not allow water to enter into our ears. We must pour out water by tilting our head properly. We can remove water from our ears. Then students, now we are going to study about the care of our nose. What are the good habits we want to follow while we take care of our nose? We must cover our nose and mouth while we are sneezing or coughing. Now students, we must breathe through our nose because the nose, inside our nostrils, there are many hairs present. These hairs filter the particles of dust and dirt. The clean air will go into our trachea and it will go to our lungs. But there are no hairs in our mouth to prevent the entry of dust and dirt particles. So we must always inhale the air through our nose only. Now students, some children are having the habit of picking their nose and inserting finger in their nose. That is a bad habit. Some children, they are keeping the same finger in their mouths. That is very dirty to look, and also your prestige will be lowered if this habit that is continuing till your adulthood. So we must stop this practice of putting finger in nose, we must use a clean cloth to clean our nostrils. Now children, if our nostrils are blocked due to cough and cold, we can do the inhalation of steam to clear the nasal passage. Now students, there are many steam inhalation machines are there. We must plug in to the sockets of the switchboard, and on the switch the water will be boiled and the steam will come out. We can inhale the steam to clear our nasal passage and nostrils. Now students, in the rural areas, the best medicine for the blockage of the nose due to cough and cold, the leaves of patta ajwain, it is also known as patthar choor in Hindi. It is known as Indian borage and Mexican mint in English. These aromatic leaves, these plants can grow anywhere in India. It is very easily grown. Plant in our gardens or in a pot, we can grow them. This plant and our tulsi, almost all houses tulsi is grown because of its medicinal values. The leaves of patta ajwain, and the name is patta ajwain, but the spice ajwain is not obtained from this herb. The spice ajwain is getting from a different plant. The leaves of tulsi and the leaves that I shown you, they are putting in water and boil the water, and this steam is inhaled by the people along with some wicks put into that water, and wrapping ourselves with a blanket will not allow the steam to escape out. The steam will directly enter into our nose. Doing this method every day, twice or thrice, will relieve you from cough and cold. So students, these are the methods I told you about the care of your ears and nose. I hope you will follow all these methods